Hello everyone and welcome to Practicing Speaking English with me. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very good and professional tips for speaking. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to mix the sentences together. This is one of the best videos of this channel. This is episode 6 of Speaking English. We have some words that they are so easy for adding between two sentences and mix them together to make a longer sentence. The first one is when. Yes, when. All of you know the meaning of when, but in the question. In the sentence, its meaning is different. When we want to mix two sentences about the time together, we use when at the beginning of the sentence and middle of the sentence. Let's make an example. When you are here, I'm happy. Or I can change the place of when, and I add when middle of the sentence. I'm so happy when you are here. I'm so happy when you are here. This is coherence. It means when we want to add two sentences together, we use this word. It's so easy. Or another example, I will come to class when I cook my dinner. I will come to class when I cook my dinner. It means that after finishing cooking, I will come. The next one is who. When we are talking about a person and we need to add two sentences together, we use who. For example, I know a doctor. I want to describe this doctor. Let me tell you the first sentences. I know a doctor. This is the first sentence. The second sentence is, he is so great. I want to mix them together. Okay. At first, I remove he and put who instead of it. I know a doctor who is great. I know a doctor who is very nice. I use verb without any subject after who. The next example, I have a coach. I have a teacher. Coach means teacher. I have a coach who teaches me a lot of things. In these sentences, you should know the grammars. I met, past of meet. I met a boy who looks like you. The first sentence was past, but the second was about now and simple present. So you can mix two grammars together. It's not important. The next one is where. When we are speaking about a place and we want to add two sentences together, I want to speak about a restaurant. I always go to the restaurant where has good food. The first sentences were like this. I always go to the restaurants. That restaurant has good food. I remove the second restaurant and add where instead of it. We are living in a house where your grandmother lived. It's so easy, just you should know how to make these sentences. And the next one is that and what. You can use both of them together. And we can use that instead of who as well. When we want to speak about something, some happenings, some topics, we use that. YouTube is a platform that has everything. Because I'm talking about YouTube, I use that. That is so general and is so popular. You can use it everywhere. I know that you are sad. I know that you are sad. My mother came to the party that I had. Here I have two different subjects. One of them is I and another one is my mother. Now I want you, for the first step, for practicing, write two examples with these words. Choose two of them and write in comments. I will check all of them. Practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to write everything. By just listening, you cannot speak very well. If you like this kind of video, please tell me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I know that this is a very special channel that you have ever seen, because I know that what you need, and I will teach all of them. Good luck everyone. Thank you for watching me, and goodbye.